Hello everyone, today I will show you how to prepare concert footage for further multicam editing. Here we will talk about low-budget projects, and some algorithms will differ depending on your budget possibilities. It is obvious you already have several cameras and a separate audio file that was recorded right from a mixing console. So all that stuff you have to synchronize first. The easier method is to use Pluralize program. You just import your cameras as well as the audio. Keep in mind that all your footage must be with the same frame rate. If you have some unnecessary to sync footage in your folders, just delete them right through Pluralize. In my case, I've got some B-rolls I need to delete. Now click Synchronize. When the sync is complete, we need to export this timeline for further adjustments in Premiere Pro. Open up Premiere Pro and import the XML file that Pluralize has prepared for you. Here is our sequence. Let's open it. Now you see we have got no multicam yet, only video layers with duplicate audio sources. As you can see, all camera sources have started to record at different moments. For multicam, we need to make all cameras start at the same time. For that, we have to compensate all those gaps at the beginning. I prefer to use bars and tone, but it is not necessary. It's up to you. You can use even a solid column 8 to fill the gaps. Now we need to create a nest for each video source on the timeline. My first source will be the primary, and it will include the master audio file. After this step, select all your nesting sources and click Create Multicam Source Sequence. We use endpoints algorithm to make a multicam. Endpoints we have set in previous steps, so just click OK. Create a new sequence specially for our multicam sequence, and here we are. Do not forget to toggle on multicam mode and you are ready to edit. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, like this video. If you have some questions, ask them in the comments section. And have a nice day!